Wala akong sasabi.
Just giving all those guys their pat.
Anong sabi mo?
Wala, may gising ko, I love you. Feel ko mag-dress eh. Mini dress.
Wala nang aasahan pa.
Stop the beat ever since this Loka.
Puji na. Puji. Minit lalo ng ilong niya. Again, mga amigo.
Ito pala, bugoy.
Gusto ko tong shirt na to talaga.
Ako din.
May sa sermonet with it. Okay. Okay, like it.
Bro, pakito.
Black ka ha?
Favorite color?
Kasi bakit mo hindi mo?
I think it's my favorite color now. I've been wearing a lot of black since I've been here.
It's my favorite color.
What's your favorite color?
Because it's your skin color.
I'm not totally black.
No, it's so it's so tight.
Happy days.
Ganun ba?
What do you think? Do you think our season did better than the first one? Yeah. It did, huh?
Yeah.
Mas magaling mix this time, no? All kinds of voices.
Curriculum.
Imagine everything we built here.
Yung curriculum tayo. Yung curriculum.
Kano kayang tuition fee nito?
Oh, in the real world?
Mahal to. Libre pagkain.
Ilaw pa lang, tinan mo kung magkano yung
I know.
bill ng Meral.
Yung aircon pa. That's why sometimes I make tipid on it.
Camera, bawat camera.
Pero din ako ng ano. Oh my God, yung bracelet kong kulay yellow.
Saan mo nalagay?
Nakalimutan dito sa anong lamisa. Baka dyan.
Wala naman tayong bending, or sitting step.
Ah, yeah, we did.
Sino? Wala Arnie lang naman eh.
Ano yung kulay mo?
Yung ano ay concealer.
Oo,
Tapos
nawala
bronzer.
yung kulay mo.
Yung wala. Kinuha nila Arnie, pumasok dyan. Hiniram mo yung makeup mo.
Hiram, tas bigla kinuha. Talaga na wala Arnie. Alala ko, iniwala niya yung makeup ko dun sa asa. Dun sa dressing room.
Fit na fit sa akin to, no? Small lang pala ang katawan ko. Kapag medium ka, masyado malalaki.
XS ba yan o S lang?
F.
Ayos ako, pinalaba ko pa yung ganyan.
Pero